Welcome to Flick's Water YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to delve into the Aqua Crest AQF-FF46 refrigerator water filter, discussing its installation process, compatibility with LG refrigerator models, and cost-effectiveness compared to OEM filters. Additionally, we'll explore both the praised benefits and potential drawbacks based on customer feedback, providing you with valuable insights before making a purchasing decision. Before we start, can you please click the subscribe button below? We really need your support to develop this channel and publish more and more videos. Just one click on the subscribe button, you are helping us and we really appreciate it. Again, we really need your help. Please click on the subscribe button below. Thank you. Aqua Crest AQF-FF46 refrigerator water filter is praised for its ease of installation, compatibility with specific LG refrigerator models, and cost-effectiveness compared to OEM filters. However, challenges such as installation issues and taste concerns have been noted by some users, highlighting potential drawbacks to consider alongside its benefits. Easy to install. Multiple customers found the installation process straightforward and appreciated the clear instructions provided. Perfect fit for certain models. Customers with specific LG refrigerator models reported that the water filters were a perfect fit, eliminating concerns about compatibility. Cost-effective. Alternative, many customers praised the Aqua Crest water filters for providing a cheaper alternative to the original LG filters, making them a good value for money. Includes air filters. Some customers appreciated that the package included air filters in addition to water filters, enhancing the overall value. Clear instructions provided. Customers found the instructions provided helpful, especially regarding the installation process. Good filtration performance. Despite being a more affordable option, several customers mentioned that the water filters effectively improved the taste and quality of their water. Similar to the OEM filters, some installation challenges. A few customers encountered difficulties during installation, such as needing a special tool or facing issues with compatibility with certain refrigerator models. Inconsistent lifespan. Some customers reported that the filters didn't last as long as advertised, requiring replacement sooner than expected. Taste issues. Several customers mentioned experiencing a noticeable taste difference in their water after using the Aqua Crest filters, with some describing it as unpleasant or chemical-like. Taste issues. Several customers mentioned experiencing a noticeable taste difference in their water after using the Aqua Crest filters, with some describing it as unpleasant or chemical-like. Quality concerns. Some customers expressed doubts about the overall quality and effectiveness of the filters compared to the original LG filters. Compatibility issues. A few customers found that the filters didn't properly fit their refrigerator models or had different connection designs, leading to difficulties in installation and dissatisfaction with the product. No reset option for filter light. Some customers noted that there was no way to reset the replace filter light on their refrigerator after installing the Aqua Crest filters, causing inconvenience. Discoloration of water and ice. Certain customers observed discoloration, such as a yellow tint, in their water and ice after using the filters, raising concerns about water quality. Fishy smell. One customer reported a fishy smell in the filtered water, indicating potential issues with the filtration process or filter materials. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons below to support us if you like this video. Thank you and see you in next videos.